So hi everyone, it's me Persija again, and for today's video is another day with my family in Sweden. So Sweden moment to guys. So again, papunta kaming airport and first no namin dito sa Sweden and sobrang ganda ng kanilang lugar. So happy kami kasi pagdating namin dito is ulan and pag-uwi namin is uh, snow. O, di ba? Na makakaligo-ligo kita grasya ani. So hopefully may mga blessing na dumating sa atin this 2025. So again, thank you so much everyone for always being there. Hindi natin maaabot ang ating ah bahay na ganito kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So again, maraming salamat. Ingat kayo lagi and God bless everyone.